Just behind those trees, guys, that building's a thrift store, and we're gonna walk there because we're just sitting in the office right now, ready to go.
Let the adventure begin.
We also got a bunch of stuff to donate here.
I just wanted to say it's just as important to donate as it is to go out and thrift.
Absolutely. Oh, hi. Hello again. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Look at how cool these are.
These are totally 90s.
Oh my gosh, I love them. So cute. Super cute. Thank you. We love a good scavenger hunt.
What are we looking for?
We're looking for this cute little guy right here.
I don't know.
Look at
He's a
him.
gingerbread guy.
I don't know. We'll just call him the happy guy. He's got a hat on and he looks like he's ready for a party or something. We're in the right place.
He said he was.
That's cool. That's a cool puzzle. How are you going to ship it? Frankenbox it? Yes. Michiganders.
It's actually probably a really good look.
Oops.
Yeah. Vintage new era.
Excuse me, do you folks need a donation receipt?
Oh, no thank you.
Yeah, no thanks.
Okie dokie.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank
Sure
you.
thing.
Thanks so much. Oh, that's cute. Still new.
1993 it says on it, and it has a little tag.
Oh, very good.
Yay, Big Bird! I got a cool like 80s fanny pack. I was channeling my inner you. Because you always get the cool 80s ones.
Okay.
Oh. Oops. I don't know about this hat, but I thought it was kind of cool.
Yeah.
And so I grabbed that one.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Found something.
You found something?
Yep. Goosebumps.
No way.
Goosebumps. I don't know how much these are, but we're taking them
Kids'
all.
books. Children's books are free.
All the books in there. There's about less than more.
Oh, great, thank you.
One more vintage. You a kitty cat?
Oh, yeah. But that's good. It's vintage, it's 90s.
Well, you also get 12 or 1400. The top
It's got a really great sell-through rate.
Those are Keens?
New Balance.
Nice.
Yeah. Hey, is this him?
Yes, that is.
Yay!
My tag is a number.
Okay.
Okay.
5.
Way to go, babe.
All right. Well done.
Yay.
It says purchase 1 pair of shoes and get 1 free.
Oh.
You guys weren't looking at shoes, were you?
Well, now we are.
Actually,
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
22.
22. Thank you very much.
all right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks again. Really
Thank
appreciate it.
Yeah, you too.
You as
See
well.
you soon.
We'll be back.
Bye, thank you too. Walking home after the thrift store is pretty convenient.
So we're back, guys. Wow. We found a ton of stuff. Good stuff, once again.
We did. And we even got some more free stuff too.
Really good free stuff.
Free is our middle name if you haven't figured that out yet.
Yeah, probably the best thing we got today was free. So,
It was.
but we'll get to what else we got here. We only paid what? Invested $22 at the store today.
Yes,
Just-
that was it.
We were in and out of there like 30 minutes, maybe. So let's just see what our half an hour time and $22 investment brought us. So first off, we'll start with this thing. Star Wars panoramic puzzle, which I think is pretty dang cool. It's really not worth that much though. I was a little surprised. But this thing is cool. It's sitting in the store. It's going to sell. Pretty neat. Brand new. Put it over here.
Oh yeah, there's my bag. Okay. Oh, I was really excited to get this, you guys. I went through the kids section because Dustin and I are trying to learn a little bit more about kids stuff, the value of it. Land's End is one of the brands that I have been researching. This is a 14-16. I got it for $3. It looks like it's brand new, and they always have really cute detail.
Yeah, Land's End. Really nice quality, I've noticed.
When you get a 14-16, you luck out because a lot of petite women wear kid sizes because it's less expensive.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good idea. Awesome. Now, we won the little scavenger hunt that was in there. We found that little plush toy that we got a little discount on. And the discount that we got was a buy one, get one free pair of shoes. So, let's see, what did we buy these ones? These New Balance 965s, like a woman's hiking boot here or shoe.
Waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof 965s. I did, after purchasing them, notice a little bit of wear, some scuffs on that side of the inside of the shoe, which I don't think should be too bad. We're not going to get full price for them because of that, but still a really nice pair of shoes with a great sell-through rate. And we got a free pair here, some Skechers, another pair of like women's sort of like hiking shoes. I don't know, really good condition these are though, so we'll see. $5 we spent on both these, so.
You can't go wrong with Skechers. Sometimes they take a little bit of time to sell, but there's a huge market. Voila! Look what I got this time. Dustin usually gets these.
The fanny pack, and that's no exception of the cool one. It's got the cool
It's a
retro.
Shazam 80s.
Yeah, like the neon colors.
Yep,
They'll
can't
look
miss
great
it.
on you. Yeah. Right. What's the brand name on that one, actually?
Oh, Adisio?
I'm not sure either. Adesso Sport. Cool. Okay.
You can explain these fun things.
Oh, okay. So, hey, fuzzy dice. I really have no idea what these are going to be worth.
Las Vegas.
Oh yeah, Las Vegas. So
Yeah.
I thought, if these were vintage at all, they'd probably be good. But we'll see. We'll throw them up there. We'll do some research. If not, hanging them from my rear view.
One more thing for you, hon.
Oh, okay. And the good old Logitech webcam. This might sit around for a little bit, but for $5, I think we'll make a good profit on it. So, Logitech, always a really great brand to look up. Their electronics are really sought after.
This little baby is my favorite find for the day. Isn't he so cute? You guys
I
know
love
it.
it too.
You love it too? Okay. I love cute little things like this. And this is a 1993 Jim Henson.
That's why I love it so much.
That's why he loves it. I love it because he's a cutie patootie. He loves it because it has a tag on and it's vintage.
Exactly. Oh my gosh. Well, who knows what that'll be worth, but still a really fun little find there. Okay.
One more thing. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I'm not really sure what we could get for these, but it looks vintage. This looks like 90s up here, I would say, and it's definitely got a cute little design there. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think somebody's gonna like that.
You have to get this up ASAP.
Exactly. Yeah, no doubt. Or we'll have to wait for next year. But I've also noticed that Halloween stuff will sell all the time. And probably one of the more profitable pickups today for us is these hats. These hats are only $1 a piece, which is pretty sweet because we got some good ones here, I think. Anyway, Michelle found this. This looks like probably like a soccer hat, football club. So yeah, that should be really good. Actually,
It was colorful, so I liked it.
yeah, that's good though because it's soccer stuff and that sells. And Michelle's favorite here, the Michigan State Spartans.
Michiganders
Home state.
representing.
Yep. And this is really cool because it is a new era and it's a vintage new era hat. So this should actually be worth a few bucks. Awesome. I also got like more modern. Not sure exactly this team. Sorry. Also another collegiate hat. More modern, but still. I thought that was really cool because I've been looking actually for a New Jersey Devils hat because I'm now living here in New Jersey and I love hockey, so I'm gonna try to fit in a little bit with the Devils hat. The only thing is this one's autographed. I'm not sure by who yet, but I'm gonna try to figure it out. I just like collecting autographed hats. I got a few of them. Even if I don't know who they are, I think it's pretty cool. And a Cleveland Browns hat. This is pretty cool. Still modern Reebok, but fitted. And somebody's gonna love that. So $1 a piece. Probably got at least $100 worth of hats here. So
Yeah. The last thing for my bag over on my side is actually something that I'm going to wear for Halloween, and this is actually some accessories to be a 20s flapper. So got the wig last night, went to the thrift store, and I got the accessories, so I guess I'm going as the right character.
Yeah, absolutely. That was a really good find. Awesome.
There's
also,
a buck.
Yeah, $1 for all those little, it's going to make your costume complete now,
Yeah.
basically. So that's pretty awesome.
I know. I was really psyched actually. They're expensive, these Halloween outfits.
No doubt. Yeah, we were just at the Halloween store yesterday and looking at stuff.
Yeah, it's like $50 or $60 for. Anyway, go thrifting, and that's the best way to get the best costume. How about that? No.
Exactly, it really is. Yeah, if you got the time to put into it like all year, you're gonna come up with the best costume for next to nothing. Now, I would say last but not least here is probably the coolest find, not only because they're valuable, but because they were free. As you may have seen, I was pulling Goosebumps out of the stack of children's books left and right, just one after another, so I didn't even do a count here.
I went up there and asked the lady because there were not, prices everywhere. How much? Oh, kids' books are free.
Yeah.
I was like,
These are free? Sweet. I'm seeing that these can go for anywhere from like $3 to $5 a piece, so we locked these up. There's 13 of them here, lucky number 13. So, I don't know, $30, $40 maybe for this lot right here. Very grateful. Thank you so much.
Goosebumps. That's something to remember. I didn't know that these were valuable, but yeah, Goosebumps.
Heck yeah. Yeah. Even these old ones, I mean, I used to read these, so it's just nostalgic for everybody and pretty sweet.
Yeah.
But if you can find the whole set, you're in some big money. For sure.
Yay.
Yeah, guys.
That's it?
That was it for a really quick, what do we say, about a half an hour and $22. We came up with probably a good few $100s worth of stuff pretty easy.
At least.
It'll take us a few hours, to list this stuff and get it, out there and then packaged and shipped out. But heck of a profit, guys, for not a whole lot of work. So we're very grateful.
Don't forget to check out your local church resale shops, the thrift shops. It's a good place to go and look.
Absolutely, yeah. Some of the churches will do that, and you know, got people donating all the time, just like a Goodwill. But they don't necessarily go through and eBay price everything all the time. Some may, but chances are you're gonna find better deals at places like that.
Yeah, name brands that they don't usually understand, aren't unfamiliar with.
Perhaps, yeah, like Land's End or single stitch T-shirts. You know, these little things that we know about that they may not, or something. Or like Goosebumps books. You know, if they're putting those out, do they know there's like a really good sell-through rate and following on eBay? Probably not. Yeah. So.
No, they will after they watch our video.
Yes. Yeah, we're trying to build a really good relationship with those guys too. So.
They're really nice over there.
Yeah, very happy to donate as well every time we go there.
Keep the circle going, right?
Yeah, right. I mean, we have so much free stuff that we get, and some of it we just can't use or sell. So we're gonna, if it's not dirty or broken, we're gonna redonate it. Absolutely.
Thank you guys for spending some time with us and checking out what we got today in the, we're gonna call this a backyard thrift store, whatever.
That's what it is, basically. We're so lucky and grateful. So catch us for some more quick thrift runs across the street.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations on you. Get some good goods at the thrift store, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
That's up to you. Such a beautiful day for a walk. Oh my gosh, whoa. That could have been bad. It's full of plates.
Mechanical difficulty.
The bag broke, so luckily it's a little
We
heavy.
expect a lot from it sometimes.
Yes, exactly.
This little guy was only 10 cents. I don't know what he is or who he belongs to, but I thought maybe you'd know.
Oh.
Can I keep him?
Ooh, that's pretty good. Is this bag here for sale?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
We got stuff. That stuff is Christmas stuff, so we haven't put it out yet.
Oh, okay. I'd really like to purchase the bag if I could.
Unfortunately.
Just give me an extra 10 seconds to get down the stairs. I saw your shadows rounding the corner.
Oh no, sorry.
I was going to the wrong door, and then Dustin was like, no, it's around the corner.